Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2005 Suzuki Boulevard with 25,962 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a LEHMAN TRIKE kit, Memphis Shades windshield, ultimate seat, passenger backrest, Legatrack, and Kuriak and ISO grips. Classic styling, towing capacity, and long-distance comfort make the Boulevard a great option in the metric class. Powered by an 805cc V-twin engine, the Boulevard puts 52 horsepower and 51 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it has a 27.6-inch seat height and weighs in at 542 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.